Hi there, it's Amy from HooperSonic with another quick tutorial for you. Today we're going to talk about side-to-side waist hooping. Get into a wide stance with a slight bend in your knee. Hold the hoop at your mid-back with elbows tucked in towards your body and activate your core as you serve the hoop towards your belly button. Try spinning it both ways to see what your preferred direction is. Activate your core as you push from side to side, creating momentum. Now try to transfer your weight into the balls of your feet to gain speed. By springing off one foot to another in a dodging motion, you will create more speed. This is a fun way to bring some cardio into your hooping. Remember, I'm not marching. I'm pushing my weight from right to left through the balls of my feet. Imagine you're playing defense to someone in a basketball game. Just do your best not to wiggle your bum around. Keep your abs tight and practice often. You nailed it!